Hi guys, welcome to Indian Meeple. Today we are going to unbox the expansion for violence, the Unquiet Dead. So in this we have 6 characters. So let's open this. So this is basically the rule book for the Unquiet Dead. So here, like in the other expansion we could actually play it as a faction. So there are only 2 symbols in this faction, and you can move and get your crystals. Just capture whatever crystals you have, and the second is keep them as an encounter. So whenever a character of yours dies, I think they would be changed with these dead zombie characters, and they can have or create havoc amongst the other factions. So let's just look at the miniatures. First thing I want to mention is there is an extra base in the teal color. So this is because you have the 5 other teal colors in the base box. You can basically have all these characters in the teal color and play them as a faction. Although I should mention that in case if you have the Ancients box, you can basically have them with black bases, and also you get 5 black crystals to play them as a faction. So that's just something new that is there. So yeah, so let's basically look at these miniatures. Lovely miniatures as always. You have grim kind of a death character with a skull. I think with the base already on, but I would actually change this base to black. So you have another skeleton warrior. So I think there'll be 3 skeletons and 3 kind of zombie-like characters. So this is the second skeleton character. I love the details on this miniatures, the small packs and everything which the character is holding. Looks great. And then we have the archer skeleton. You will really love these miniatures. If you have not played Violence before, I would actually suggest you to play it. And then we have these 3 zombie like monster characters. He looks rad. Looks sort of like a Orc King who died. And I think we have a grudge kind of like a character with a sword. I like this ink finishes to these miniatures. And last, we have a zombie warrior who was killed by an axe. Nice little details. and then we have the deck, which will basically which is basically there to use them as a faction. I have seen the reviews online, and people have mentioned that they prefer using it as an encounter rather than a faction. I think it's much more fun when your dead characters raise up. So yeah, so we have the 3 skull characters. So this is the archer, the hermit, the swordsman, and then the 3 zombie characters. So the warrior is a guard, the maid, she looks creepy, she looks really creepy, and the lord. And then we have all these different cards. Like you see, there are only 2 symbols here, but they do need at least I think 4 symbols to actually collect a crystal. They need like 4 symbols to collect each and every crystal, whereas the other factions need only 3. But I think they are more of a slash kind of a character, and this is basically all the card counts which are there in the box. So yeah, that's the Unquiet Dead. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Indian Meeple logging off. Thanks.